Hey everyone, we are at Westport today on a mission to go get some tuna. So off we go down the dock. This is Mike's August trip every year. He wants to get tuna every year, and I don't mind because then he makes tuna and it's delicious. So this is the adorable bayside town of Westport. Lots of touristy things and fishing boats. You can see the harbor over here. Lots of fishing boats. Lots of charter boats. And a really good place to go get tuna. Pretty consistently caught offshore. I think about 50 miles. So off we go.
Looking for your flash frozen tuna, the whole one.
We don't have any flash frozen whole tuna right now.
I called yesterday, reserve 3, and you guys said that you had plenty of them.
Yeah, I looked through there this morning.
Yeah.
Well, those are some big fish.
Oh, that'd be expensive.
I know.
Yeah.
Well, thank you.
Alrighty.
Yeah, we're getting some in right now.
What was the name of that? Right. I got it. Okay. Thank you so much.
What do you got here?
I think if you take the painter's cloth and lay it out, we could roll it up in it.
Something on the bottom.
Yeah. Make as many layers as possible. It's pretty big. So.
Wow, there's a big one.
Yeah, it's a big one. Then I have a blanket. I have a rain.
Oh, it won't get hot from underneath.
I mean, it shouldn't, because that should just hold the cold air in. That should help.
Okay.
Okay, dokie. I don't feel good about this. It looks too soft. All-wheel drive or not?
Oh, it's not that bad.
Okay, it's up to you
We
then.
can do it.
Okay. What are they in? They're just in a Kia.
As long as your all-wheel drive works.
Oh, I think it does, but I am having drivetrain issues, so I'll let you take that at your own risk. I do have new tires.
This guy gonna try it?
Oh, he's gonna go like hell. Yeah, it's not that bad.
You go out there, it's fine. It's getting back in.
Yeah. Well, we can always drive down and then exit somewhere else too. Or maybe it's less soft.
Well, let's see how it is.
Okay. Doing. He's just in two-wheel drive, isn't he? It's hard to tell.
Yeah, we're fine.
Okay. He says it's good.
So as long as you don't get over that way.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Okay, that's good. Wee! Oh God, he just dusted me. I guess all the vehicles need to have sand inside.
Take them in?
Yeah. So pretty. You're so close to me. There's a big sneaker wave right now. We're toast.
Let's see if your all-wheel drive's working.
Okay.
I'll do it on this spot right here.
I can tell.
Then it spins all the tires.
Oh, okay.
just doesn't go. It just.
It's a BMW. They have like a terrible takeoff.
I guess they have to power brake it, wind it up a little, and then done.
Yeah.
It's like.
It doesn't come off the line. That is not how they work. They're fast once they get going. That's how they work.
Burn up. You're not gonna be burning any tires with this.
No.
I don't think even in the snow.
No.
I was like waiting for it to go. I guess it's not gonna spin the tires. You're right. How do you tell if they're working?
Exactly. It is, like just right at the surface.
How's right in here look?
Anywhere. Just don't get us stuck. Where are we? Between Westport and Grayland.
To Grayland?
Or yeah.
Somewhere there. I don't know.
I think we're probably closer to Grayland at this point. I don't know, we just drove down the beachways, so. Now we're stopped to chill out.
Time to take my shoes off.
Oh yeah, shoes off. Look at that ocean. Beach as far as the eye can see. Up, down, all around.
Oh, I feel good on my feet.
Yeah? I think I will do that too.
Yeah, get a picture of my feet, because I'm a foot model, you know?
You are a foot model.
See like this, and then pan out as I'm going.
You know, people are real weird about feet on the internet, honey. Should we look at your gorgeous feet? Okay.
Look at the sand, nice soft. The sand is about 80 degrees.
It is, it feels really nice. I know, look at all the bubbles. Oh, here comes the water.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Ooh.
A little chilly.
Yeah, it's not too bad. Not terrible.
It's about 2 or 3 miles away, maybe 4 miles away.
What is?
Fog bank.
Oh, Fog Bank, yeah. Ooh, burr. Oh, that's cold. A couple years ago, we were at a clay lock at the beach, and we were just messing around in the water after dark, after dinner, and after a few drinks, and we ended up having to sprint up the beach because we got a crazy sneaker wave come in. So yeah, that would have been one of those washed out to sea and nobody would have known where we were. So sneaker waves are no joke. He is so gonna get wet. This is why he bought an extra pair of clothes, because he knows how he is. Oh god, that's soft. Ugh.
There's like little sand dunes here.
A little drift, yeah. Oh, I guess maybe you should have gone down to the road. If you get stuck like 10 feet from the road, that's going to be super embarrassing.
I made it.
You made it. Good job. Good driving. I'm going to try not to get run over here. I made Mike stop by a winery. It's one of the things I do when we're out and about. Because I like to donate wine to charitable causes, and I also like to try wine. So we're here at Westport Winery. We can go check it out. Mike said it looked touristy. He's right, but it still looks cute.
wine tasting?
Yeah, we could do some wine tasting. I'd be down with that.
Okay, so you get 5 tastings for $10, and if you buy a bottle, the $10 is waived.
Okay. Can we share a tasting?
Yeah.
Okay.
Kraken?
Kraken.
Kraken.
That was really good.
Yeah, you need to decide if you want. I picked my purchase.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna get a Kraken for the auction if the auction happens here.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then I'm going to. I don't know what else. That Tempranillo was good.